Next we are discussing type 2. So type 2 integration is what? Integration of linear divided by quadratic, or integration of linear divided by root quadratic, or integration of linear into root quadratic. So how to integrate this one? So to integrate this one, what you will do? This linear equation we will write as what? Some constant k1 into differentiation of quadratic equation, that is q dash, plus k2, some other constant k2. So this linear equation we will write as what? K1 into differentiation of quadratic equation plus some constant k2. Same thing you will do here, same thing you will do here. Okay, so this one if you want to integrate, so what you will do? Integration of, instead of L, what you will put? K1 into q dash plus k2. So what will come here? K1 into q dash plus k2 divided by q. So if you separate this one, what will come? K1 is outside, integration of q dash divided by q plus integration of k2 is outside, this will come out 1 by q. So this is what? Quadratic equation, and differentiation of quadratic equation is what? In numerator. That means this is f, then this is what f does. So we can do integration of directly. And 1 by quadratic, we can use standard formulas. Same thing here also. So this will become what? Instead of linear equation, we will put what? K1 into q dash plus k2 divided by root quadratic. So if you separate this one, what will come? K1 into q dash divided by root quadratic plus k2 into 1 by root quadratic. So here also this is root over q, so this is what? Root over f, and this is what? F dash. So here we can use formula. This is t, then this is what? Dt, and here we can use standard formulas. And same thing here also will do. So here what you will do? Integration of, instead of L, what you will write? K1 into q dash plus k2 into root quadratic. So this will become what? K1 is outside, integration of root q into q dash plus k2 is outside, integration of root over q. So here again also we will use here standard formula, and here is what? This is what? Root over t, and this is what? Dt. So here we can use formula directly. So this, like that we have to integrate this one. Next we are taking example. Example is integration of 3x plus 5 divided by x square plus 4x minus 9 dx. So we want to integrate this one. So you can see numerator is what? 3x plus 5, that is linear equation, and denominator is what? X square plus 4x minus 9, that is quadratic equation. So this will come linear by quadratic. So how to integrate this one? So for that, what you will do? This linear equation 3x plus 5 we will write as some constant k1 into differentiation of quadratic equation. So d by dx of x square plus 4x minus 9 plus some constant k2. So what will come here? 3x plus 5 equal to k1. If you differentiate here, so x square differentiation, what will come? 2x plus 4x differentiation, what will come? 4, and 9 differentiation, what? 0. So what will come here? 2x plus 4 plus k2. So here if you multiply k1 inside, so what will come here? 3x plus 5 equal to 2k1x plus 4k1 plus k2. So if we compare here, so 2k1 equal to what? 3, and 4k1 plus k2 equal to what will come? 5. So from here k1 is what? 3 by 2, and from here k2 will come what? 5 minus 4 k1. K1 is what? 3 by 2. So here will come into 3 by 2. So this will come what? K2 equal to 4 by 2 is what? 2. 3 into 2 is what? 6. So 5 minus 6. So this is what? Minus 1. So this equation 3x plus 5, this one 3x plus 5, we will write as k1. K1 is what? 3 by 2, and d by dx of x square plus 4x minus 9. So that will come what? 2x plus 4 plus k2. k2 is what? Minus 1. So minus 1. So here 3x plus 5 we will replace with this one. So this integration will come what? Integration of 3 by 2 into 2x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x square plus 4x minus 9. X square plus 4x minus 9 dx. This will come. Now if you separate this one, what will come? 3 by 2 integration of 2x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x minus 9 minus integration of 1 divided by x square plus 4x minus 9 dx. This will come like that. So what will come here? 3 by 2. This is what? T. If you take this one as t, so this will come what? dt. Because if you take this t, x square plus 4x minus 9 as t, so this will come what? 2x plus 4 will come dt. So this one integration will come what? dt divided by t. So integration of dt divided by t is what? ln modulus of t. So t is what? X square plus 4x minus 9. This one we can do directly. Minus. If we want to do this one integration, so this is what? 1 by quadratic. Okay, here x square coefficient is what? 1. So here what we will do? X square plus 4x we will make perfect square. So here what will come? dx divided by x plus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 9. So this will come out 3 by 2 ln modulus of x square plus 4x minus 9 minus integration of dx divided by x plus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 9 is what? Minus 13. So what will come? Minus 13 we will write root 13 square. So this will come out 3 by 2 ln modulus of x square plus 4x minus 9 minus this one integration we can do directly. So this one integration how to do? 1 by 2 into a is what? Root over 13 ln modulus of x plus 2 minus root 13 divided by x plus 2 plus root 13 plus c. This is your answer. Here we have to apply formula dx divided by x square minus a square formula. So you will get this one. This is your answer. Next example is integration of 4x plus 5 divided by root over x square plus 4x minus 5 dx. So you can see numerator is what? Linear equation and denominator root over quadratic equation. So this will come in this category, linear divided by root over quadratic equation. So how to integrate? So here also linear equation 4x plus 5 we will write as some constant k1 into d by dx of quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5 plus some constant k2. So 4x plus 5. Now k1, if you differentiate this one, what will come? X square differentiation 2x plus 4x differentiation is what? 4 and minus 5 differentiation 0 plus k2. This will come. Now here 4x plus 5 equal to 2k1x plus 4k1 plus k2. This will come. Now here if you compare 4 equal to 2k1, so from here k1 is what? 2 will come, and 5 equal to 4k1 plus k2. So from here k2 equal to what will come? 5 minus 4 k1. k1 is what? 2. So 4 into 2. So k2 value is what will come? 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. So 4x plus 5 we can write as what? k1 is what? 2. So 2 into d by dx of x square plus 4x minus 5 plus k2. So that is minus 3. So instead of 4x plus 5, what we will write? Integration of 2 into x square plus 4x minus 5 differential what will come? 2x plus 4 minus 3 divided by root over x square plus 4x minus 5 into dx. So if you separate this one, what will come? 2 into integration of 2x plus 4 into dx divided by root over x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 3 integration of dx divided by root over x square plus 4x minus 5. This will come. So what will come here? 2. If I take this is t, then this is will be what? 2x plus 4 into dx is what? dt. So this one integration what will come? X square plus 4x minus 5 to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. This is dt by root t. So what will come? T power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 integration of dx divided by root or quadratic equation. So here first we have to check x square coefficient, that is 1. So first you will do perfect square. X square plus 4x you will make perfect square. So what will come here? Dx divided by root over x square plus 4x we can write x plus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 5. So this will come what? 2 into x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? 1 by 2. And here also minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is what? 1 by 2. Minus 3 integration of dx divided by root over x plus 2 whole square minus 9. So 9 we can write 3 square. So this will come what? 2 x square plus 4x minus 5 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So 2 will come in numerator. So 2 into 2 what will come? 4, and this one we can write root over x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 3. This one integration how to write? This one integration of dx divided by root over x plus 2 whole square minus 3 square. So we know integration of dx divided by root over x square minus a square. This formula we know. So instead of x what we are writing? X plus 2. So what will come here? ln modulus of x plus 2 plus root over x plus 2 whole square minus 3 square modulus close plus c. This is your answer. Next example is integration of 3x minus 4 into root over x square plus 6x dx. So you can see this is linear equation and this is what? Root or quadratic equation. So this will come in this one, linear into root quadratic. So this one integration how to do? Same way, 3x minus 4 linear equation we will write as what? Some constant k1 into differentiation of d by dx of quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus some constant k2. So if you do differentiation here, so what will come here? 3x minus 4 k1 x square differentiation 2x plus 6x differentiation what will come? 6 plus k2. So from here what will come? 3x minus 4 equal to 2 k1 into x plus 6 k1 plus k2. So from here 3x equal to what will come? 2 k1. So k1 equal to what? 3 by 2. And minus 4 equal to 6 k1 plus k2. So from here k2 is what? Minus 4 minus 6 k1. So k2 equal to minus 4 minus 6. This is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So 6 by 2 is what? 3. So this will come what? K2 equal to what? Minus 4 minus 3 into 3 9. So what will come? Minus 13. So 3x minus 4 we can write as what? K1. K1 is what? 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 plus K2. K2 is what? Minus 13. So 3x minus 4 value we will put here. So this integration what will come? 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 minus 13 bracket close into root over x square plus 6x into dx. So if you do separate, so what will come here? 3 by 2 is constant. Integration of 2x plus 6 into root over x square plus 6x into dx, minus 13 common, integration of root over x square plus 6x into dx. This will come. Now this will come out 3 by 2. Now if you take this as t, then 2x plus 6 dx will come out dt. So this is what root t dt. So this will come out x square plus 6x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 13. For this integration, what you will do? X square plus 6x. So here x square coefficient is what? 1. So x square plus 6x you will make perfect square. So what will come here? Integration of root over x square plus 6x perfect square, what will come? X plus 3 whole square minus 3 square dx. So this will come what? 3 by 2 x square plus 6x to the power 3 by 2, and this is also 3 by 2 minus 13. This is nothing but integration of root over x square minus a square dx. So how to do integration of this one? Okay, so instead of x, what we'll have here? X plus 3. So this will come what? X plus 3 into root over x plus 3 whole square minus 9 divided by 2. Then minus, because here minus a square, so minus a square, that is 9 divided by 2, ln modulus of x plus 3 into x plus 3 plus root over x plus 3 whole square minus 9 modulus close plus c. This is your answer. So integration of root over x plus 3 whole square minus 3 square dx is nothing but what? X plus 3 divided by 2 root over x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 9 by 2 ln modulus of x plus 3 plus root over x plus 3 whole square minus 9 plus c. This is your answer.